You can do anything. What if I told you that you can do anything? Yes, you, the person watching this right now. Maybe you doubt yourself. Maybe you think your English is not good enough. Maybe you believe success is only for other people. But let me tell you a secret. Every person who speaks English fluently today once stood where you are. They were confused. They were shy. They were afraid to speak. But they kept going. And if they can do it, you can too. Stay with me, because this is the moment where your story begins. Think about it. The only thing between you and your dream is one small step, not a big step, just one. Can you say one English word today? Then you are already on the way. Can you build one small sentence? That is power. I am ready. Say it with me. I am ready. Do you feel it? That small sentence carries big energy. It is not just words. It is a promise to yourself. And when you promise yourself, you start to change. Many learners wait. They wait until they are perfect. But perfection never comes. The truth is, you must speak first and improve later. I remember the first time I said hello in English. My voice was shaking. My heart was beating fast. But after I said it, I felt free. Do you know why? Because action kills fear. Fear grows in silence. But when you open your mouth, fear dies. So today, speak. Even if it is wrong, even if it is small, speak. That is the key. Now, let's think in English. Don't translate. Don't wait for the perfect grammar. Just think simple. Imagine you wake up. Say, I wake up. Imagine you eat. Say, I eat. Simple words, simple sentences. This is how children learn. And you are not less than a child. You are stronger. You have power. You can use this power every day. One sentence, then 2, then 10, then 100. Can you imagine how far you will go if you don't stop? I know it is not easy. You will make mistakes. People may laugh. But remember, every laugh is fuel. Every mistake is a teacher. Every hard moment is proof that you are growing. You can do anything if you refuse to quit. And I promise, if you speak every day, if you think in English every day, one morning, you will wake up and realize you are fluent. You are confident. You are free. So here is my message to you. Stop doubting. Stop waiting. Start now. Your dream is in your hands. You can do anything. You can learn English. You can change your life. And it starts today with you. If this touched your heart, like this video, comment, I can do anything, and subscribe for more powerful English learning. Because your journey is not over. It is just starting, and you are stronger than you know.